Hello everyone, so my name is Siti Khadijah Binti Mahyudin and my metric number is 1200554. So this is my lab 2 for Manifest Explorer by APK Analyzer. So here is my 10 apps for the scanning. First one is Assistant, and then Screen Recorder, Compass, FM Radio, Weather, Audio Effect, Calculator, Floating Windows, Google Podcast, and lastly Scanner. Okay, so for the first app is Assistant. So here we are searching for Assistant apps through APK Analyzer. So here is the View Manifest Explorer for the Assistant apps where it will show permission, activity, metadata and so on. Okay, so here is for the use permission. It have read the service, access network state and get packet size. While for the activities, it have assistant activity, error activity and Google API activity. For the second apps, I choose Screen Recorder. So let's search for Screen Recorder. Okay, so here is the Manifest Explorer.xml file where it will show permission, metadata and also the activity. Okay, so here is for use permission, it have vibrate, and for the activity it have screen recorder home activity, courier permission activity and screen recorder setting activity. For the third one, I choose Compass. So here is the general data for Compass. Okay, and then for the Android Manifest Explorer file, so here is the permission and we can see activity, metadata. Okay, for use permission, we have first access find location, and then we have access course location, internet, access network state, share, camera, right setting, right secure setting, from use info, and lastly system permission declare. While for the activities, we have Compass activity, Compass setting, Compass privacy setting, and Compass from desk. Then we have FM radio apps. So here is the general data, and then for the Android Manifest.xml, here is the permission and the activity we can see. Okay, for the use permission, it have permission, internet, access network state, red lock, bind get install refresh service. But for the activities, we have FM radio activity and FM station list activity. Next one is weather apps. So from here is the general data for weather, and then we view Android Manifest.xml. So we can see the permission, activity and also the metadata. Okay, for the use permission, it have read media image, write external storage, write DB, internet, access network state, access course location, access find location, access Wi-Fi state, extra network, receive book completed, from use info, system permission declare, program service, access background location, schedule exit lamp, post notification, vibrate, dump cache log, read log, and lastly read external storage. While for the activity, I have activity with the main, request permission activity, permission confirm activity, activity manager, activity sensitivity, activity alert detail, activity day forecast detail, activity set, activity minute range, activity arcane detail, weather news activity, plus deep link activity, activity edit manager city, edit deep link activity, and lastly Google API activity. The next one is audio effect activity, audio effect application. So here is the general data for audio effect. Let's view the Android Manifest.xml. Okay, so for the use permission, have change component enable state, modify activity setting, and Bluetooth. While for the activity, it have activity music, control panel picker, and compatibility redirector. So the next application is calculator. So here is the general data, and then for the Android manifest.xml. So for the use permission, it have internet, access network state, access Wi-Fi state, system alert window, system overlay window, program service, and vibrate. For the activities, it have calculator tag activity, history activity, finance result activity, loan data activity, statistic activity, image share activity, default calculator activity, all-in-one calculator activity, currency activity, card setting activity. Sorry. The next one is for the floating windows app. So here is the general data for floating windows. Okay, next is for the viewing Android manifest.xml. So here we can see a few permission and activity. So for the use permission, we have system alert window, we have system overlay window, we have manage activity stats, write secure setting, read secure setting, and receive boot completed. For the activities, we have freeform demo activity, freeform demo introduce activity, and freeform demo finish activity. The next one is for the Google Podcast activity. So here is the general data for Google Podcast. Then let's view the Android manifest.xml. Here we can see a few permission and a few activity, and also metadata for the Google Podcast application. Okay, so here is the use permission. I have read log, internet, receive book completed, receive, read gist services, and get package size. For the activity, I have podcast activity, Google API activity, and also system tray activity. The last application is scanner. So here is the general data for scanner apps. Okay, then let's view the Android manifest.xml. So there are a lot of permission and activity we can see. Okay, so for the use permission, it have camera, read external storage, write external storage, access network state, change network state, access Wi-Fi state, change Wi-Fi state, flashlight, internet, vibrate, start any activity, receiver, change configuration, get task, override Wi-Fi config, write media storage, configure Wi-Fi display, from use info, system alert window, set activities from background, system permission declare, and AI web activity. For the activities, it have scan activity, QR result activity, about activity, setting activity, function sort activity, screen scanner activity, ALP entrance activity, feed search activity, classes result activity, me pay in dialog activity, and lastly setting ads activity. So that's all from me. Thank you.